You're watching Mirror 7 News. Stay informed, stay ahead for more news.
Joby Aviation is making headlines again, and this time, it's not just about futuristic air taxis. The company's latest series of announcements could shape the next phase of urban air mobility and may even change how investors view the stock going into its Q3 earnings. Joby's stock has surged about 24% since the last strong buy recommendation, driven largely by growing investor confidence. A big part of that optimism comes from two things: strong liquidity and steady progress toward FAA certification. After raising $591 million through an equity sale at $16.85 per share, Joby's cash reserves have climbed to around $1.6 billion. That kind of financial cushion effectively eliminates any funding worries through 2027, giving the company the breathing room it needs to scale production and advance its technology. For the upcoming quarter, analysts expect Joby to report a per-share loss of around 19 cents and revenue near $2.3 million. While those numbers might not sound huge, the real story lies in the milestones ahead, particularly FAA Stage 4 approval and readiness for Type Inspection Authorization, that is TIA, both critical steps before commercial air taxi operations can take flight. Beyond certification, Joby is already thinking big. The company aims to build capacity for 500 aircraft annually by the end of the decade, with its Marina facility ramping up to produce 24 aircraft per year. Based on current projections, Joby's 2030 revenue could reach about $2.8 billion, and at a forward valuation of 5x to 6x EV sales, analysts see a potential fair value between $30 and $35 per share. But what's really capturing attention is Joby's expanding footprint beyond the commercial passenger market. The company's new military partnership with L3Harris could open doors to defense contracts and specialized applications for its eVTOL aircraft. Combined with the acquisition of Blade Air Mobility's passenger business, participation in Japan's Expo 2025, and a planned air taxi launch in the UAE by 2027, Joby is positioning itself as both a technological leader and a global player. Of course, there are still hurdles. Regulatory delays, market volatility, and the company's ongoing unprofitability remain risks that can't be ignored. Yet, the strategic partnerships and capital strength suggest Joby is no longer just a speculative bet on future air taxis. It's a maturing enterprise with real momentum. If Joby delivers on its FAA and expansion goals in the coming quarters, Q3 2025 might be remembered as the moment everything began to shift. The skies are literally the limit, and Joby seems ready to take off. Stay subscribed for more videos.